Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your workspace logo. If you didn't know that you can change your workspace logo, then I'm sure that you will be happy to learn the steps here. Now if you look to the uppermost left hand side of my current workspace, as this is a workspace that's called My Space, you can see the M. Now it's easy to change this to whatever I want, even a own custom logo. So just simply click the Trello logo here in the uppermost left hand side. It's going to take you into this section here of Trello where you can do everything or manage your entire Trello account. Right, so you want to go ahead and click on settings here, guys, and it's going to open up your current Trello workspace here where you can do quite a lot to this workspace. Now all you have to do in order to change the logo of this workspace is to simply hover over the M. As in my case it's an M because it's coming from my, so you can simply click on it and click change, and you can simply upload a new image or change. Right, so let's say I want to upload a new image. I can simply go ahead and click on upload. It's going to find something on my PC, and in this case I don't have anything that I could possibly use, do I? Let me check if I find something that I could use. Possibly I don't have something right now, or do I? Let me click and do, let me see if I can find something, guys. I want to find something that we can really use. Let's say edits here and logo. Yeah, let me go ahead and use a Drew tutorial logo as an example. So let's say I want to use this one here for Drew. I can simply go ahead and I can click on this logo here that I have, and I can click and open, and you will see that it now changes. So that's it. As you can see here, I now change the logo of my workspace, and that's it. Now if I go back to Trello at any point in time, guys, click to my boards where you will see that it no change. And if you look to the upper right hand side of this current space, you can see that it is changed as well. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.